Alright, in this video I'll be testing out this Simoniz Headlight Renewal Kit. I'm doing this in preparation for another video. I got some LED headlights coming in for this Nissan, so I'll test those out. But first thing I'll do is clean up these headlights, and I'm going to clean the headlights on my Mazda at the same time. The Nissan ones turn out a lot better because the Mazda headlights also have some haze inside of the headlight housing, which you can't really get to. So no fault of the Simoniz product, but they don't turn out as well as the Nissan. But with that said, I filmed the full demo on the Mazda. So I also bought a glass cleaning product. Obviously it's a Simoniz product as well. I got everything from Canadian Tire for like 20 bucks, so it was pretty cheap overall. So it includes the spray and the renewal cream, but you can use Windex or whatever. I'm just getting the bugs off with the spray. So there's 3 sanding pads, sort of light abrasive, and then there's the cream as well. It says to go 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 grit. And prior to sanding, you're going to spray it down with some water. Just plain water, not soapy water. So circular motion, back and forth, up and down. Just rough up the surface. I got this in fast motion, obviously. In between sandings, I do spray it down with the plain water and wipe it off. Then give it a little blast of water, and then take the next sanding grit to the headlights. So 2,000, then the second one is going to be 3,000. A little bit of a pain to get in the corners. I did put some painting tape down, but it wasn't really necessary. In fact, I only did it on this headlight, so it didn't seem to be an issue. Again, spray it down with water, give it a wipe. Last time with the sanding, spray it with water, and then use the 4,000 grit sander. To get deep in the corner on the Mazda, I also found that taking off the pad from the little sanding block was beneficial. So that's all the sanding done. Now I'm going to take the Simoniz Polish Restorer, put it on the little foamy pad. And the packaging says don't go in a swirling motion, or says go back and forth, then up and down, or in an X motion. So I'm trying the up and down, then back and forth method, but I'm not really sure that makes much of a difference. Once you got it worked in, then take their chamois cloth that comes in the box and just give it a wipe. And that's pretty much it. If there's some haze, keep wiping. And if you want to do a second coat with that polish, you can. And it does help a little bit to improve clarity if you do a second coat. But here's a little before and after. Before shot of the Nissan, and then here it is after using the product, just as I did on the Mazda. So it turned out really good on the Nissan. And then on the other side, so this is the driver's side, I did one side and put the tape in the middle just to show the polished side on the left and the hazy side on the right. I did get some bleed through because the tape kind of pushed back a couple times, but you can see how clear it is and then how hazy it is. Overall, I think this is a great product, and there it is fully cleaned up. For the 16 Canadian dollars, I think this is a great product actually. There's a ton of product left. I could probably do my headlights 4 more times on both vehicles before I run out. It'll probably freeze over the winter and I'll end up throwing it out, but overall, really like it. And this glass and dash cleaner is really good too. Anyway, thanks for checking out my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.